Yeah, just because I always want to be an actor, so that's why. And more I can say that the more of the person who always like let me down, I can't do acting, so that boost me up to do acting more. For me, acting, you know what? I love enjoying camera. I forget about the camera. I'm front of the camera. What I'm doing, I forget about it. I enjoy the work. What I'm doing. I enjoy the lines. What I am sharing with someone. So acting for me, it's like the part of. It's a part of life which I'm doing. So if I'm talking with you, it's maybe in future it's a part of the life also. So that's the acting for me. Acting, it's not a source for earning for me. Acting, it's not a thing that I can say that that's this is something for me. It's something different for me. It's like, so it's a part of life which I'm enjoying a lot. The most of the time, the someone comes in the acting line, they want to earn more. They just only like I can say that वो लोग बहुत अट्रैक्ट होते हैं just because they earn a lot. They earn in CRs, they earn in lakhs, so that's why they attracted. And most of the time they're thinking like the actors को क्या करना होता है, they just go the front of the camera, थोड़ा acting किया और आ गए और पैसे मिल गए. So it's not like that. For if you want to live a character, you have to play it. You have to live a life like that. You have to think like that. Then after that you will play it. तो बहुत बार होता है कि आप मेंटल ट्रोमा से भी निकलते हो just because if you like played a character kind of the thing. तो मुझे लगता है कि सबका अपना अपना पर्सपेक्टिव है, पर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम द 10% ऑफ, एज यू सेड, 10% ऑफ द पर्सन हु रियली थिंक एंड हु रियली टेक एक्टिंग genuinely, they think acting is something, acting is a life for them, it's a purpose to live. So this for me.
True, true. That's
Actually, after when I was doing a job in Pune, as in my last interview I said to you that I met some of my friend in FTI. So after that I started my career in acting and in fashion industry. So I came to Pune most of the time. If you heard the one thing, when I was in engineering college, so most of my relatives and most of my circle persons always said to me, बेटा पास हो जाओ, फिर हम तुम्हें कुछ ना कुछ काम जरूर दिला देंगे. That's a tagline for all of them. So it's the same thing with me as well. When I went to Mumbai, I reached to Pune, Mumbai. So most of the person said to me कि यार बहुत काम है मुंबई में, you have to come here, we will provide you a good work. But once I was reached there, so then I saw कि वहाँ काम नहीं है. The most of the time the thing is, the person, if you get a good work, so it's always come with the condition, so you are not ready to do this thing. So some of the time that they always like measure you on the basis of your skin tone. They always measure you some of the kind of type of height. If you are not ready for the condition, you always open up for the or most of the things. And the one major thing is like, I don't understand what the means of open minded. That they always mention a one term, you should be a open minded. So open minded, they count many things, so I'm not ready for that. So I that time I was struggling a lot, and even frankly to say, I was in depression. It's kind of very long time I was in depression, and I was thinking like कि अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. And then I met some of the girls who really don't know anything about this industry. So I somehow I realized, I talked with my parents, then I with God grace I have some good friends as well, so I talked with them as well. So they said to me, why don't you start your own production house? If do something like someone else can see this thing, he will. If you suffered a lot, it doesn't mean that many others who come here, they will also suffer. So I started this production house for those person. I inspired a lot for those person who actually have so much talent, but they don't know where to go, how to start. And most of the girls and even most of the boys are stuck in this kind of thing कि आप कोई condition दिया, then you just fulfill the one condition, after that you get another one, then get another one. So you always get a work to the condition, so I don't want it. So that's why I started a production house for them, who really skillful, who really want to do a good work. And doesn't matter for them a pay, the matter is to work. So that's inspired me a lot to start a production house. OTT come in a picture, you know. So we were thinking like, according to me, I always think like the once the OTT come in a picture, so we don't need to take A-listed actors only, you know. And I was thinking if we take only those person who is skillful, so we will give the platform to them, and Indian cinema will live on content basis only in future. You know, the Indian audience is more smart rather than before, so they want to see the good content. Now they are the very less person who really want to see an actor like Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan. Nowadays the Indian audience want to see the content, actually content, what's the story is, why they make it, what's the reason behind that, the logic and all. So I think the much smarter audience we have, and the OTT, they come in a picture. I was thinking they will take a good content, they will work for the content, but the just it's like always कि इंडिया में आने के बाद सब एक जैसे हो जाते हैं, so they also work started to with the big production houses and A-listed actors only. So I think let's see, maybe the content basis cinema we will still see next in future generation. Exactly. You know what? Those new students who pass out, whatever, it's not compulsory, they pass out from the art college. They pass out engineering, IIT, IIM. They started something. They have some creative ideas. They have some different level of ideas, creativity. They are present to audience. They are not with the old ideas and the thinking like कि हम लोग यही बनाएंगे और यही serve करेंगे. They come up with a new thing. So that's a good thing, but the problem is that they don't have a good platforms like that where they actually serve it, where they actually present their what they made, you know. So even the one of the person I connected on the LinkedIn, and he just sent me one of the script, and you know what is an animated script, and you can't believe it, and even one my team can't believe that person in engineering college and he's pursuing his engineering, and he gave us such a wonderful animated film to us. So that's the thing. So the problem is the people don't know where to serve. People don't know where's the exact platform where I can serve my creativity, who can understand it completely. So that's the main thing, I think. I think we have to make a that kind of system which is very easy to person. They can reach to us easily. You know, they don't need to what I can say that to कि उनको इतने सारे पड़ाव पार करके आने की जरूरत नहीं है. They have to reach us very easily. They can contact us easily, so they can freely to involve in all other things. They can freely to reach us. They can provide some more content. They can ask to someone, and there's a main important thing in creativity, I think. Ki nowadays so we can we totally develop the creativity in the management, you know? So the marketing person see the content which is art based, the marketing person sit as a head of the content. I don't understand why, how they understand the creativity about a film, how they understand the creativity about series and all. So there's a most important thing कि आप management में हो तो you can manage the things, but you can't read the content. It's need a proper person who understand the art.
Yeah.
See, the girls who always think like यार ये industry, this industry is not so good, and definitely before coming in this industry you have to make your mind. You have to, before come, you have to take a support from your family. The family support is very important, and especially for the girls. Before came in the industry, if you come in this industry, the people always ask you, did your father knows, did your parents knows about this? So this is a very common question, and once you say no, my family doesn't know about it, so they started washing your mind, you know. So better, your family support is very important with you. Come in this industry, whatever you want to do it, you know. And just try, just try everything. It's nothing is impossible in this industry. It's not compulsory that he belongs to a rich family and he belongs to a poor family, you will not do it, you will do that. So you can do it. Just come. A right approach, right person, right way, and right connections is very, very important. If you connect with the right person, he always give you the right advice. He always provide you a right way where you want to go it. So this very important. So girls can try in any line. It's not compulsory कि ये boys के लिए है और ये girls के लिए. Girls can do only in acting the front of the camera. They can do makeup. It's not compulsory. They can do camera, they can do production, they can do direction, each and everything, yeah, in very perfect way rather than a boys. So they have to
Exactly.
try. And
Yeah.
even the boys also, they come with कि यार boys को क्या problem है. They are ready to do any with the conditions. They are ready for the conditions कि हम तो कर लेंगे. तो dude बहुत problem होता है. Problem equally दोनों के लिए उतना ही है.
Yeah.
For the girls and for a boy, both equally face the same problem, but
Okay.
right approach is very important.
So
First
usually,
listen,
yeah, yeah.
first
Tell me.
listen. Don't take a action very quickly. If someone comes to you and say कि ये हो जाएगा और वो हो जाएगा, don't take it. Take some time. कोई जल्दी नहीं है. Time लेना कभी खराब नहीं होता है. So take some time, think about it, discuss some other person which you believe, and after that take a decision on that. Shooted a first short film that I was produced. In that short film, you know what? I was in shock just because we just expanded a very less amount, you know. And my friend, he's a director, and when he asked me for the amount, that much amount we needed, and so I said, "What? इतने में film बन जाता है क्या?" बोले या इतने में फिल्म बन जाता है. So I was learning a production thing, you know. I didn't know about the production, how to do it, how to cope up with the persons, how to handle the things, how to manage the thing for the film. Actually, short film, series, or the feature film doesn't matter. If you manage your, and managing the things is very important everywhere, in company, in film. So my experience was the short film is like कि wow यार इतने में film बन जाता है. I learned so many things. I arranged many of the things, and after that, after this just short film, when I learned a bit production, so I got one of the film is international Indo-Russian film. After 27 years, the India made a film with Russia. That name is Best Friend. We were the Indian producer in that film. So in that film, I was started as an executive producer. So I was learning many of the things. I was cope up with the tent wala, one of the scene for the जहाँ पर हम लोगों को सारे बाराती चाहिए थे और बहुत सारा crowd चाहिए था. So that day, I was arranging a crowd. So I was realized यार लोगों को इकट्ठा करना कितना मुश्किल है. So I was arranging a crowd like कि please आपको खाने को मिलेगा and we will give you some amount as well. So तो बट वहां पर टास्क ये था कि आपको इतना बड़ा गैदरिंग करना है, बट आपको एक अमाउंट दिया गया है, आपको
Yeah.
इतने ही अमाउंट में ये गैदरिंग करना है. तो वो मेरे लिए टास्क था. आई लर्न यार कि यहाँ पे भी चैलेंज होते हैं. सो यू हैव टू टेक, अगर उन्होंने मुझे ये अमाउंट दिया है, हैव टू फिनिश दिस टास्क इन लेस अमाउंट जो मुझे दिया गया. तो वहां से बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी. आई वाज लर्निंग द प्लेट्स के लिए, आई वाज लर्निंग द अरेंजमेंट्स, आई वाज लर्निंग द कॉस्ट्यूम, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, so this was fun, so much
Yeah.
fun for that film. So I always choose my character if I related with,
Okay.
and it's not compulsory. As an artist, you always knows about your character. Some of the time, it's totally depend on the director. If he see you as a character, so definitely you can be. So I always try to choose. I personally related the character. I personally feel it the somehow, and in maybe in past I felt something like that. So I choose my character like that. Very lazy person, so fitness, so no, zero. I don't. But reading, I always like reading before COVID as well. So in this pandemic, I start learning a lot, and I'm reading many scripts. I'm creativity, about the creativity. I think I learned of new photo skills. I just started to take a picture like this and that. So that's it, not more than that. But otherwise, I'm busy to watching and reading. It's two things I'm doing this. I think, yeah, in this pandemic, I learned of one thing: stay connected, which is very important. to
Yeah.
each and everyone. We didn't get the time, we didn't realize the things कि हम लोगों ने कब किससे कब बात की थी. It's such a very long time. So I think some of the benefits and some drawbacks with the pandemic, but is always a beneficial for me, just because I'm a very introvert person. I'm not an extrovert person with each and everyone, so I'm very happy with my laptop. I give a one sofa, one laptop, internet connection. That's it for me. So, and even one of my friend was speaking with someone, and he said, you know what, we were talking about you, and he said, how's Deepti and how she is facing this pandemic situation, and he said, you know what, she needs a one laptop, internet connection, and sofa. That's it, and she don't need anyone else. So I'm that
Okay.
kind of person. So I love to reading, and I'm not a person, the party kind of person, and love to meet many of the person. So I'm not. I'm the virtual. Okay, I meet many of them. Thanks to pandemic, I meet many of the person virtually, and even met you as well.
Yeah.
So Kangna, Kangna Ranaut. If you are the many of the movie Tanu Vets Manu, she just recently she has directed the film Manikarnika. She was
I, okay.
Manikarnika. She's a big hit. It's a big hit film. So she was the she was the director and the actors as well there. So
Okay.
I inspired her because she started a journey. Nobody knows, nobody know her. She don't have any film background. She didn't belong to a very rich family. she just uh, she just belongs to a middle class family. She came to Mumbai. She started a career in modeling, and her story is very inspiring, how to start a career, how she was struggling a lot, and after that she got a one role in gangster film. Then she was suffered because of this condition work. She faced a lot, but she never like cope up this thing, that kind of condition. She always I can do it, I can do much better. If she rejected something, but she will get something better. So that's the thing. So I think that's why and one most important thing about her, she never felt she never feel like कि मुझे ये नहीं कहना चाहिए. Whatever she feel, she say. She's like a mirror for you and mirror for anyone. तो
Yeah.
वो आपको वही दिखाएगी जो आप फिर देखना चाहते हो. तो she is not fear about कि I'm not belongs to this industry. If I said something about Karan Johar, अगर उन्होंने मुझे काम नहीं दिया, तो if I have something said about the Yash Raj film, उन्होंने मुझे काम नहीं दिया. She never afraid of these things. She
Yeah.
always do what she wants to do. She always do those things which her heart says.
Yeah.
She always
Yeah.
follow her heart. So that's the most important thing I think for about her.
Yeah. Like I.
I think just because this is in this industry, this is also a man's world.
Yeah.
You know, that's a main most what I can use the perfect word for that problematic situation for the girls. Just because what they always think कि ये नहीं कर पाएगी. She's a girl, yeah. She can't do this. She's a girl, yeah. She can't, yeah. Let it be. They don't get a equal wages, just because
Yeah.
अरे यार लड़की तो है. Why you want to give this much amount? कोई जरूरत नहीं है. So I think वो पहले थिंक हमें चेंज करना पड़ेगा. This is totally a mindset. This is a totally a mindset of the men's. This is a totally a mindset of the society जो कि हमें प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है. We are equally qualified. We are equally talented. We have the equal skills which they have, but we still either it's kind of कि हम लोग उनसे पीछे ही हैं अभी भी. हमें they always take as a second choice.
Yeah.
They never take as a first choice, just because they always think यार कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ ना तो लड़की है फिर ये वैसे सोचेगी. She's very emotional. She can't take decisions properly. She can't handle the big things. She can't handle the big situations. She has a family pressure. she left the things in between. So that's kind of thought the man thinks in this man world, the society think about the women's. That's why they always the behind the man.
Okay.
There's a main problem. So
Yeah.
which I anywhere, not in film industry, corporate, everywhere. Just because I was in corporate, so if I get something, and if I did something good, so for taking that appreciation, I need. They always give the one condition for me. If you get this opportunity, this is the condition. Once you fulfill this condition, and after that you get it. So in this industry, as I said to you, friends with beneficial, I don't understand this thing, and I think that's the thing come with the opportunity. If the woman wants to do something, like we take a one example, okay, I want to take some investment, I need some investment, so I just clarify all of the things, I just put up my projects, I just clarify all the documents whatever you need for the investment, okay, and once we meet and you give me the condition, and condition is like you want I want to be your friend, you will marry me or something, whatever the condition they will give. So if you meet with a person and if you meet with a man, did you give them such conditions? No. With a man you put only a one condition, that is I need a profit, how much profit I will get, you know. But with a woman there's a lots of conditions that come with marry. Are you single? Why are you single? So if
Exactly. Exactly.
Karthik, same here.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Give me this opportunity.